Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and this is what your workshop has been missing. This is the Magswitch MagSquare 400. So this is a magnetic jig that holds things into place with up to 400 pounds of hold. It is amazing. So this tiny little square can do all of that, and it's really easy to use as well. This is such a great tool because you can use this in place of clamps and other things that hold your jigs in place, or really anything. And it just is so much more flexible in where you can put it. So as long as you have a metal surface, you can use this and it's going to hold things in place. So my husband likes to use this with a movable arm attached to it, and he uses that to rest his hand on while he is welding to keep himself steady. So he puts basically all of his body weight pressure onto that arm, and this holds it into place so he can get really precise and clean welds. But there are so many other things you can do with this. It is such a handy little device. The way that it works is by twisting this top dial here. It rotates a super strong magnet inside and then sets it into place. So very simple operation, but very powerful. So if you're looking for a really versatile solution to holding things in place, definitely check out this, and that's my point of view.